How to set any video as wallpaper on iPhone. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Static Studio, and today's guide I'll show you how you can easily set any video as live wallpaper on any iPhone. It's super easy, so let's get started. Well, so now to do that, first thing first, simply go and open up the App Store from your iPhone and go and search for video to live. And once you have searched for this one, you'll get to the second application. This one, I already installed the application. And by the way, I'm not promoting this application. This application is just going to work. It's just going to convert your video to a live wallpaper. So just need to install the application first and then go ahead and open this up. You'll get to see the interface like this, and from here just need to tap on video to live photo. I'm going to select the first option and it just need to allow the permissions. So I'm going to select more photos. It just need to select the video. So let's say I have a video here. So let's say I'm going to select this video and I'm going to tap on done, and the video will be added to the list, and then simply go ahead and select the video and tap on next. And it just to select the ratio from here. So you have to select the ratio from here, and you can actually adjust the video position the way you want. And also you can trim the video if you want to. So you can actually trim the video. I'm not going to do this one. I'm going to keep it default, and you can actually get the preview. So you'll get to see this is the video. Now once you're done, just go and tap on make. And if you're below iOS 17, then you can select the live photo iOS 15, or if you're using the iOS 17 or plus, I mean the iOS 18, then you can select the live photo for iOS 17 plus. And once you do that, the converted live photo will be saved to your gallery. If I get back from here and open up the Photos app, here I get to see the live photo has been created. So if I press and hold this one, you get to see this is the live photo. So now to save this as wallpaper, tap on the share button here and scroll down, and you just need to tap on use as wallpaper. And this will take a little time because this is a video, and he'll get to see it's loading. So you just need to wait some time, and you just need to enable the motion from here. Now once you do that, you're pretty much good to go. Tap on add and tap on set as wallpaper, and now your video has been set up as a live wallpaper on your iPhone. Hope you found this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.